In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up parental controls and viewing restrictions on Amazon Prime Video, complete with PIN protection, age limits, and even device-specific settings. Let's get started ensuring a safer viewing experience for you and your family on Prime Video. First things first, you'll want to sign in to Prime Video using a web browser on your desktop. Begin by navigating to Prime Video's website and logging in using your Amazon account credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, glance toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to select Account and Settings. From there, go ahead and click on Parental Controls or Permissions to get started. The first setting we'll address is setting up a Prime Video PIN. This is crucial as it adds a layer of security that prevents unauthorized viewing and purchases. So, on the Permissions page, locate the section labeled Prime Video PIN, or often referred to as Account PIN. You'll need to choose a 5-digit PIN number. This PIN will serve as a barrier. Only those who know it can bypass age restrictions or make purchases, if you have those features turned on. Take your time to select a PIN that is both secure and memorable, and don't forget to save it. Next, let's talk about setting up viewing restrictions by age. This is an excellent feature if you have children or teens accessing your Prime Video account. While still under the Parental Controls section, find Viewing Restrictions. Here, you have the option to select an age limit for the content. You can choose from various categories like General, 7+, 13+, 16+, and 18+. These restrictions will help ensure that viewers can only access content that is deemed appropriate for their age group. When you've made your selection, make sure to save your settings. Now, sometimes things happen and you might forget your PIN. Don't worry. If you need to reset it, you can easily do so from the Manage Profiles page. There's no need to stress over misplacing your PIN, as accessing your account to reset it is a simple process. Additionally, if you decide you'd prefer not to deal with PIN prompts every time you watch, you might consider a different approach. By setting your viewing restrictions to the highest maturity level, such as 18+, the system effectively stops prompting for the PIN for most of the content. This won't disable the PIN entirely, but can make for a smoother viewing experience if unrestricted access is more in line with your household needs. And there you have it, a secure, tailored viewing setup for Amazon Prime Video. Whether safeguarding young viewers or streamlining your access experience, these steps make managing content straightforward and efficient.